Find and open the supply boxes. Loot and cash are normally found inside buildings. Search for some cash, see what you can find.
I've got you!
Okay.
Spot on. Get to the your next one. Welcome to WarZone. Battle Royale. Use your TAC map and choose when to deploy from the aircraft. The white circle on your TAC map shows where the gas closes.
That's our drop zone!
The timer
Get ready!
shows how long you have before that happens. Plan ahead, find weapons, stay out of the open, and you'll make it. Jump out of the aircraft, soldier. I suggest put... Targets are up. Get to work. Search inside the buildings for weapons and ammo. Listen for the hum of nearby supply boxes. Grab some armor plates. Keep searching the building until you find a better weapon. You need a weapon, soldier. Find one.